What's up, guys? GoodeZilla back again. It's been a while. I haven't really had much to do on the car to make any kind of videos with. But this video is going to be about my truck, just because I recorded it a long time ago, and now that everyone's kind of stuck in their house because of this whole pandemic coronavirus thing, figured, hey, I'll edit this video out. So obviously in the video you'll see I'll have a much shorter beard because it was recorded a while ago. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you have a F150, this is how you change the oil on it. But anyway, I just want to say that I hope everyone's doing okay and staying healthy, and you know, it's a pretty crazy time right now in the world with this whole virus thing, shutting down places, quarantine, all that stuff. It's scary, and it's at the same time it's kind of bringing us all together. But anyway, I'm not trying to be all like philosophical or anything like that. But anyway, we'll see what happens. I was planning on going to a couple events here coming up shortly, but they've been canceled or postponed. So we'll see what in the future, you know, what it holds, and see what kind of content I can get. I mean, the car is just chilling here still, so you know, looking green still. So anyway, we'll get on with the video. Alright, in this video we're going to change the oil in a 2013 F150 with a 5.0 V8. So you're going to need some 5W20 oil. I just use the Motorcraft brand because that's just what I use. And then you're going to need a FL500S oil filter. And that'll be it. Yeah, we'll get to that, buddy. You'll need 7.7 quarts, so I got 8 here. Should be good. So let's get to the process. So now we jack the truck up so we can get underneath of it. Find a good point on the frame to jack up from. Start lifting. I'm using jack stand and some boards because I have asphalt driveway, and the bottom of this will dig into the driveway. So we've got it supported on the cross support there, the jack stand. So right back there is the oil drain, so we'll be draining the oil from there. So here's the dirty engine bay. So what we'll do is loosen the oil cap here, and we'll just kind of leave it hanging in there like that, just so that when we pull the plug, air can get into the engine and it'll drain faster. Alright, so you'll need an oil drain pan, something like that. We'll stick it under there, and then we'll loosen up the drain. Alright. And now it's draining. Into the pan. Alright, so this is the dumb part of the F-150 design. This right here, and then around the back, right up there. I can't even touch it right now, but are both like a little part of a drain pan that go to the oil filter. So you undo this and the oil drains down and then drips down into this side and along the back. So basically it splits the like whatever this area is right here, this frame piece. So having one oil drain pan is kind of a pain. So hopefully, because we have it jacked up and leaning to one side, that it'll hopefully mostly drain out the back part of this drain pan or whatever you want to call it. So I've got my pan back here, but one way to prevent that is to use a rag and just stick it up here in the front section. So hopefully it'll catch any that's going to the front, or if you have two oil pans, you can use both of those. If you have a fitted wrench, this will be easier, but I'm just using a universal, like, belt style. Okay, so I'll take that off, and then I actually have a second oil pan, so I'll take that. We'll see here. Oh. So I got two oil pans there, and as you can see, most of it's going out the back now, or maybe you can't see, but it is. So we'll wait for that to finish draining, and then we'll replace the oil filter. Alright, so I just got some old oil, and I just lube up the O-ring here, and then we'll screw it on. I don't know if this is going to be able to be seen, but basically just screw the oil filter back on the way you took it off. So. And then hand tight. There you go. So get one of these cool funnels that's like a rectangle, and then try to get it in there. And you don't want it to like
clear.
bubble too much, so try not to pour too fast. Pour it too fast, it'll overrun the funnel. You'll be cleaning up oil off your driveway. Alright, so I poured almost all of the 1/8 quart in there because this motor takes 7.7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the engine, let it pump oil through the new filter, and then I'll check the level of the oil and see if I need to add any more. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to lower the truck back down so I get a level reading on the dipstick. Alright, so we're on the driver's side of the truck, and this yellow stick down here is the oil dipstick. So that's where it comes from. Obviously it's going to read way high because we need to actually wipe off this and then stick it down in there again to get an accurate reading. And it looks like we are Good. We're right there in between the low and the high of the 1 quart. So we're good. And that is how you change the oil in a Ford F-150 with the 5.0 liter Coyote motor. Well guys, thanks for watching. Obviously this is not a GTR video, but I like to make videos to help out where I can. So if you need to change the oil, pretty much any car or truck will be the same process. This was just a specific look at the F-150 that I have. So all the stuff that I use will be in the description below. So if you feel like helping my channel out, you can use my links and I get like a little referral kickback from Amazon or whoever I link to. And I guess stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and we'll see you next time. See ya.